In this video, we'll uncover the synths that powered 90s industrial and EBM music. I'll showcase the best synthesizers and their best plugin alternatives. Released in '83, the DX7 is responsible for the sharp metallic bass sound used all the time by EBM and industrial artists. If you want that front 242 bass sound that was used on Quite Unusual and all over their album Official Version, this is it. To me, this monster is responsible for the best bass sounds ever. Trent Reznor of Nine Inch Nails used DX7s for his Downward Spiral tour. He also beat the crap out of them. Wow, breaks my heart every time. There's a free emulation called Dext that sounds pretty accurate, but my favorite version is the Arturia version. Let's hear it. You get extra points if you can guess the song. Released in '78, the MS-20 needs no introduction. Known for its distinctive filter and also the semi-modular layout, its affordability during the '80s and '90s made it a very popular choice among musicians. It has been used by many industrial and EBM artists, but most notably by DAF on their classic single, Der Mussolini. Its aggressive sound perfectly suited the aggressive nature of EBM music. I personally own the MS-20 Mini and I love it. You guys can also use the Arturia plugin version. Here's how it sounds. The Pro-one entered the market in '81. This synth is aggressive and pretty much did the bulk of bass lines on many industrial and EBM records. It has been used on pretty much every Skinny Puppy records, and is also basically responsible for the first ever Skinny Puppy track. Yes, my friends, this thing is industrial. And according to Kevin Key, if there's a perfect synth, this is it. I can't say there is a perfect synth out there, that's why you try another one, but some are pretty close to heaven for expressing a feeling. I don't have a favorite synth, but if I did, it would be a Pro-one. It was used a lot by Frontline Assembly on one of my favorite albums of all time, Caustic Grip. I don't own a Pro-one, and chances are you don't either, so there's a great plugin called Repro-one. Let's hear it. Released in '82, the SH-101 was a commercial failure during the time of its manufacture, but it later became a staple of electronic music in the '90s. It offered a basic monophonic structure and characteristic voice that was very fast to program. According to Bon Harris from Nitzer EBB, this synth was the main sound on their iconic album That Total Age, with, of course, an extra layer of, you guessed it, DX7. There's multiple plugins emulations online of the SH-101, but my favorite version would be the Tal Bassline 101. Let's hear it! Honorable mention to the Ensoniq Mirage, the Ensoniq ESQ1, and of course the Roland System 100M. Thanks for watching. If you think I forgot some important synthesizers, let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to check out my Patreon page and my website tonepusher.com for presets and samples. By the way, I just released an industrial pack. Alright, see you next time. Ciao.